Hi guys, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel 369 Unboxing. Today I have ALTEC Lansing LifeJacket3 rugged Bluetooth speaker. This is very nice speaker with good performance, powerful Bluetooth speaker. IP67, floats in water, waterproof, shockproof, everything proof. It says everything proof. Awesome. 30 hours of battery life with built-in smartphone charger. Nice feature, nice battery life, huh? 30 hours of battery life. True wireless stereo plus pairing, hands-free speakerphone, waterproof, true wireless pairing. Just ask Siri and Hey Google voice assistant. Nice speaker. I buy this from Ross for the price of $36.99. I know the market value is like $100, close to $100. But you know, Ross dress for less, Ross store. Okay. So what's in the back? Okay, again, waterproof, shockproof, everything proof. Water, submersible, and sand, snow, and shockproof, IP67 certified. Up to 30-hour battery life with built-in rechargeable battery, built-in smartphone charger, multi-point pairing, hands-free speakerphone, true wireless stereo plus pairing, Bluetooth, NFC Wireless Check-In also, action sport mount. It has mount also. Nice. So let's unbox it. Okay, nice. That's nice. What's inside? You know, charging cable, user manual, safety card, warranty card, this kind of stuff, you know. Okay. Nice speaker, huh? Nice. Rugged material. Silicone cover. Nice. ALTEC Lansing. NFC Wireless Check-In. On-off button. Single press on-off. And play pause also. I think if you hold for 2 seconds for on-off and just press for single time for play and pause the music, volume down, volume up. Double press this button to skip to next song. Double press the volume down button, skip back to the previous song. Nice. 2 passive radiators in the back. So what's here? Okay, the first one is charging connection, USB type C or USB charging connection, aux connection, and this small one is reset button, and this is USB out to charge your stuff. Nice. And also for mounting, huh? Nice. And if you receive the call, just single press this button, on off button to receive a call, and single press to end the call. Nice. So it's time to check the performance of this powerful Bluetooth speaker, ALTEC Lansing LifeJacket3, which is everything proof. It says on the box it is everything proof. So let me turn on this Bluetooth speaker. Hold for 3 seconds.
On. Welcome to ALTEC Lansing.
Okay, thank you. Nice. Nice speaker, nice performance, deep bass, crystal clear sound, nice. IP67, waterproof, shockproof, dustproof, snowproof, and it says everything proof, like everything. 30 hours of battery life in single charge. That's nice. I never seen before 30 hours of battery life. Mostly the speakers are like 24 hours or 20 hours. Nice. Nice speaker with good price, $36.99 from Raw Stores. So this is must-have speaker. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.